What is up, everyone? So welcome back to my vlog. uh, it's been a long time since I posted anything, but here we are back again making a new video. As you can see, I'm all packed up right now. It's like 6 degrees Celsius outside and it's almost sunset. Good lighting. So it's kind of weird video. It's some videos there from other day when we went sledding, so that was fun too. Hope you like the video, and I'll see you at the end.
Psych! That's the wrong number!
What is up, everyone? So today we are gonna go sliding. That's how we say it, right?
Sledding, yep.
Yep. So we are with Mr. Leo, and he's gonna explain what we are gonna do.
Hey everybody, I'm Emilio. We're out here with a bunch of my kids and some of the students and just friends of ours. Basically, when it snows, we go and we find a hill and we try to slide down the hill as fast as we can. And I don't really know where the word sledding comes from, because it's just sliding on top of snow. But it's a lot of fun. There's some of the kids already up on the hill if you want to watch them, and we're going to get a video on the hill soon in just a second.
Yep.
I can't wait.
Thank you, sir. So it's almost -6 degrees Celsius outside, and we have probably 2 inches of snow on the ground. So let's go. Let's see what we got today. I did sliding for 3 to 4 times now. It's pretty fun, but snow is pretty cold. So that's it for today's video. Hope you liked the video. So I'm sorry, I know it's been a long time, but hope you enjoyed this video. Stay tuned, I'm gonna come up with new exciting videos, so stay with us, subscribe to the channel, like this video, share it with your friends, and I will be seeing you in the next one.